Welcome to my wonderful winter wonderland.
I really wanted to come to you for help. Last year, I went to this ugly sweater party and I came in second. So this year, I need to come in first.
I'm gonna help you bring it, and of course you'll win because you got me in your corner, and we're gonna upgrade your sweater to a whole nother level with DIY elements. We're gonna talk about accessories and how you can build upon your look. We're gonna be making ugly sweater pull-apart cupcakes. You ready to do this?
Yes.
Welcome to my holiday workshop.
Thank you for having me.
So I just want to break down some things I brought. These are holiday sweaters from Target. I've got a Hanukkah one, I've got Christmas, I've got a dancing elf. If you can see, it's cool. But there's something that's really neat about these two. You ready?
That's
now
so fun.
we can say this sweater is lit. There's another secret, but I want you to check it out yourself.
Wonderful Christmas one.
Do you love it?
That is such a great idea.
I want you to pick your favorite.
I love these two, but this one's speaking to my heart.
All right, are you ready to get crafty?
I'm so ready.
I want to play off this fun dancing elf design, and it's already really cute, but we're gonna add to it. These cute ornaments will look great, so pick your favorite ones, place them around the neck.
These, all the gold ones.
I kind of like these jingle bells, you know? I'm gonna give you a couple.
This placement is kind of my favorite.
And then we do a little belt action.
Yes.
How about a gem right in the center? We have two ways we can adhere the things on the sweater. I've got a glue gun, and I've got a needle and thread. I'm gonna say let's go with the glue gun for these. I'm gonna hold it for about 3 seconds, and then we're good. Now, these jingle bells are awesome because they even have a little hook here. Now, we're gonna just go through our jingle bell. You're gonna go around just a couple times, and that's all you have to do. And there you go. All right, I'm gonna let you do the rest.
Okay.
Now we have your outfit down, but we gotta talk accessories. You've got amazing hair.
Thank you.
There's no doubt about it. What do you think we play that up and do an amazing headband accessory?
I'm here for it.
So I have these great headbands.
Okay.
We have all this stuff here.
Okay.
We used a bunch of it, but something we haven't used yet, these amazing metallic pom-pom
These are so
bows.
fun.
So what we're gonna do is simply use hot glue, put it on the back,
Oh,
and
okay.
stick it wherever we want. We can add a couple bells on the side too.
Okay, I like that, I like that.
I might just make one for myself.
Ooh. We're so cute.
There's still one more thing. We are gonna do a DIY dessert that people are gonna freak out over, and you will absolutely be the hit of this ugly sweater party.
So excited.
So what we're gonna do is create an ugly sweater using cupcakes. They're gonna come together as one design. The guests will be able to pull apart all the individual cupcakes.
That is such a great idea.
It's time to assemble. So we're gonna create the collar. We're gonna keep building from there. Is it looking like a sweater to you?
It's looking like a sweater.
Now it's time that we decorate it. Bring on your marshmallows over here. What we're gonna do is use a little bit of frosting. This is gonna act as an adhesive. We're gonna trim the bottom, the top of the collar, and the sleeves.
Fun.
I'm gonna move over here to these cute little sugar lights. All right, next thing, it's time to connect all the lights with our string, AKA icing.
I think it looks good.
I think it looks awesome. I hope you have the best time. I think you're gonna win this.
I think I'm gonna win it. Thank you so much.
Well, I gotta see you in the look, girl. Oh my goodness!
You like?
No, I don't. I
love it too.
I think you're ready for this party.
I know I'm ready for this party. I'm definitely gonna win it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Good job.